Hi guys, welcome back to Triplezon. If you have ever tried to test a tight circuit board with a massive bulky testing tool, you know exactly how annoying it can be. Today we are taking a look at an awesome, pocket-sized gadget that completely redefines convenience on your workbench. This smart tool is a massive contender for the best digital pen-type multimeter you can buy today. Let's get started. When you are working on electronics, having a tool that is easy to hold makes a world of difference. That is why the Aneng A3006 digital pen-type multimeter is such a game-changer. Instead of carrying around a giant box with messy wires, this device features a sleek, pen-style form factor. It gives you an amazing two-in-one solution because it combines all the power of a traditional multimeter with the comfort of a standard measuring pen. It gives you incredible precision and high-accuracy readings across multiple electronic components, so you can easily trust the numbers you see on screen every single time. One of the coolest features of the Aneng A3006 digital pen-type multimeter is the detachable positive electrode tip. If you need to swap or adjust things, you can easily clamp the base with pliers to rotate the stainless steel pen tip. This thoughtful design provides fantastic flexibility when you are working inside tight spaces, crowded control boxes, or intricate circuit boards where normal probes cannot reach. It ensures you can perform your measurements quickly and efficiently without making mistakes. This tool is built for serious multifunctional use, allowing you to handle a very wide range of electrical measurements. The Aneng A3006 digital pen-type multimeter easily checks voltage, current, resistance, and many other essential electrical properties. The intelligent design allows you to seamlessly switch between the full multimeter functions and the quick measuring pen settings. This means you do not have to waste time reaching for different tools in the middle of a project, which really streamlines your workflow and keeps your workspace completely clean and organized. When it comes to the design, this device is all about comfort and portability. The compact ergonomic shape fits beautifully and comfortably in your hand, much like a regular marker. This makes extended testing sessions much less tiring and way more manageable for your fingers. It is lightweight enough to clip right into your shirt pocket, making it the ultimate tool for quick diagnostics at a professional workstation or during your home DIY projects. It beautifully combines advanced functionality, extreme portability, and innovative engineering into one reliable package that easily elevates your entire electronics testing experience. This handy pen multimeter is definitely a must-have tool for any electronics toolkit. Check the price link in the description below to get your own right now. If you loved this video and want to see more awesome tool highlights, please remember to like and subscribe to Triplezon. Thank you so much for watching, have fun with your electronics projects, and I will see you guys in the very next video.